And send it to me iPhone 10.
The last time I spoke to this artist was when he was crowned the king of the dancehall in Magnum Kings and Queens. Welcome, Bluugo, aka Flight.
Blessings, you know, my
It's
G.
been a while, you know what I mean?
Man, it's been a while, man.
Oh, go on.
Whole heap of work, you know. Whole heap of ups and downs, ins and out, turn around, and still there on my feet, see me, I go and do the thing down.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
When I saw you on that stage at Magnum Kings and Queens, I said, this is somebody who is going to take the show to a higher level. The show unfortunately ended after that, but you have continued to work.
Yeah, cause that was a mission from Good Morning, like just to get the exposure and people see what we have in store, so we can, you know, so it was a platform, a stepping stone, and I don't know, so a whole heap more stepping stone out there for it.
Who utilized the alias Flight?
Yeah.
As we can see from your pendant right
Yeah.
here. I remember when you did that, and I questioned it. I said, why would Bluugo do this? He's known as Bluugo.
Yeah.
Why would he go Flight?
Sometimes the challenges where being the king kind of bring, you understand? So me that try to rebrand myself, also because of the similarity with me and, you know, the Ras, with the name. So most of the time I run out on the stage showing them, hey, me do it, right. And when they look at them to say, them just start rocking them, I say, I know him, but I so it's like it kind of confusing to even the radio disc jockey them sometimes when them say the name, them kind of have it because them have the other name there for a longer time, and then this one. So it's like them just, you know. So me that use this new beginning, you know, new flight, you know, bird's eye view, rise above all of this. You get me? I say, cause the talent is no doubt. You get me? I say, so it's just forget the work out there.
You did a collab with Lali. How was that for you?
Wicked, man, wicked move.
Yeah,
man, it go on. It did that. As I said, it was trending for like about 2 odd week. I go on a 3 week, and that's on the numbers. And when me there in the UK, like, as the people say me, oh, I am singing the song with Lali, Blue Year, man, and I say, yes, so it did a reach place. It is reaching place. Yeah, so big up Lali, though.
Nowadays, a lot of the videos are being done for YouTube and not necessarily for mainstream media.
For mainstream, yeah.
How you feel about it?
Alright, so, you know, as I say, how we feel about that, you know, I myself have to adjust with all of that also. You understand? Because, you know, a lot of times I have some videos and when them need to be put on certain platform, people love the song, but when the video reach and I must say, oh, you know, like certain things would have to be adjusted. And you know, you can't just go back and just a video out already. So we just know, so going forward, the songs them will have the potential. You know, you kind of have to, because my music is very straightforward. You know? If a girl song is a girl song, and if you get me, I say, but me just put the topic them interested. So me know say if me do a girl song, me know me have to do it certain kind of way because me want it. The British market can have it, the Latin market them. At the end of the day, because you never know which song you will have, you know, that will break. Until the people them just start grab to your thing the way they want, then whatever goes. But you know, as an artist coming up, I think you have to structure your thing right.
Another thing I always ask is, at present there is this hip-hop influenced trap sounding dancehall. How you feel about that?
Well, as music is something that me feel good, you know. You get me? I say no matter which part it's from, you understand? But it's just always trying to maintain your culture same way. So even if you swing over the side, you must always know your roots, you get me? I say, because as I say, I want dancehall, I want reggae, you get me? I say, I don't know other genres, but when you talk about Jamaican, we don't talk about scan them something, but we talk about one dancehall, one reggae. And that is the type of music that I do. I don't know no other, you know? So everybody can do what they want because at times me sing on different beats same way. You get me? I say, but we still maintain our culture. Because we say people kind of grab to our culture. So me not see the reason why we need to just run off and grab all over the place and not remember the roots. So the roots is always the roots. You know?
So having gotten the strength from your new label, what can we look forward to?
Great things, man. Great things. We just come from England. You get me? So we just done quarantine. Is me just done a vaccine sheet, you know them something there. So great things happen and I look for go back soon too. You get me? I say, so if you even blink your eye, you know, see me, you know, say, I'm gone. Isn't
Sure.
it? Yeah, the movements.
The COVID pandemic has stifled a lot of talent all around the world, not just Jamaica. How have you been maneuvering with that?
All right, it stifled a lot of people in a lot of different ways, and it built a lot of people in a lot of different ways. Cause like people were never used to draw that much to social media. You understand? Them can utilize social media because you know have here and there everywhere to go. But yeah, the social media where you can stay in touch with everybody in them house, same way. So it was a learning process of utilizing what you have, you understand, and not what they all about. You can just utilize what you have. So as soon as the pandemic dies down, you know, we kind of set a platform, well set, the media wise and the physical part of it. You get me? I say, yeah.
I hear you have a brand new single coming.
Crossroad. Reach at the crossroad, where I'm for walk go. Yeah, me G. You know, some more of personal experience and you know, some more of like different things we are going on in the life, you know, and you know, we are trying to keep it musical because sometimes people don't really know, so we are artists and we really go through stuff to them, just feel like, you know, the glitz and the glamour and all of them something, but we do have ups and downs, bad times, sad days, you get me? I say, do lose people just like anybody else and all them something, so sometimes we have a lot of process to do. Yeah,
and that's what the new single is about.
Yeah, I'm actually coming with an EP called Vent Door. Okay. You get me? So it's like me, I get everything off. You get me? I say, cause you know you have the fake people them same way where you da give all and thing. You get me? I say, and you feel like them would have your back and when you realize, you get me? I say, so it is a process. It is a really difficult process. Cause you don't know when we are give all, you know, and we are put out with love, you know, we do it willingly. You get me? I say. So when you realize, say, yo, all of this is, you get me, I say, it kind of make you feel away like, you know, which part I'm going to go from here.
Right.
You see me, so.
That's not a reflection on your new label because clearly you've been doing good work.
No, man. Remember, say, other than music, we have, you know, we have, as me say, we exist other than music, so.
You're a human being.
Yes,
so
you see me, I say, we have friends, you know, we have mother, we have brother, just like every human being, you get me, I say. Yes, so, I just one of them things there. We have them like hurdles and like battles to fight same way.
With the new label and your tunes that the EP that you're putting out.
Yeah.
What can Jamaica and the rest of the world look forward to that will say, yeah man, Flight intense?
Yeah man, great. I get me and say, as me I say, realness. You get me and say, being Flight. You get me and say, being the man who represent Color Blue well. You get me and say, lyrics. Everything has an emotion. You get me? As a love same way, cause you know we not left out that Father God same way and everything we do. Yeah, that make me. You get me? That makes I and I unique. You get me? As I'm from. So I just them thing there. And whole heap more stuff to cause as day goes by, as the day them move forward, you don't know, we see some different sides same way. Cause I whole heap there in store for. Yeah man.
I think Flight will take us to a new level with this crossroad.